science book. We need to fill it with pictures of animals and get it back to the Animal Rescue Center. Quick, before time runs out. Come on, amigos, let's go! Use the arrow keys to walk through the rainforest. Use the space bar to jump. Pick up fruit and corn. When Rescue Pack lights up, it's ready to transform, so we can fly. Let's go on an adventure. Las frutas! We're flying! The frog! Bonus points! Las frutas! The jaguar! Bonus! Whee! The kinkajou! Extra time! Whee! The butterfly! Extra time! Extra time! Bonus points! Come! Get to the Animal Rescue Center! It's Rescue Pack! We're flying! Bonus points! We're flying! Woo! Great job! You're a beginner rescuer! Keep going to be a junior rescuer! The jaguar! Ruta! Bonus points! Woo! The sloth! Bonus points! The macaw!
The Bubba button throw banana peels on the floor?
Extra time! The red-eyed tree frog!
I'm gonna get up there.
The kinkajou! Get to the Animal Rescue Center! Extra time!
What am I dead? Okay. I think
Bonus
Wow.
Bonus points! Excelente! You're a junior rescuer! Keep going to be a master rescuer!
Master Rescuer, here I come.
Bonus!
I want to pop it up.
The macaw!
What? Where am I dead?
The sloth! Extra time!
Okay.
Bonus
Got the
point!
bonus point. Miss me.
The anaconda! It's rescue pack! Extra time! The jaguar! Extra time!
Do I? Well,
The pygmy marmoset! Get to the animal rescue center! Extra time! Extra time! Las frutas! Misión cumplida! That was a great adventure! You're a master rescuer! You found so many animals on the way to the Animal Rescue Center! Hasta luego!